Hey guys, we are being asked to simplify these expressions. Okay, so that basically means there's not an equal sign. That's why it's called an expression, not an equation. So we're not going to get this down to A equals something. We're just going to get it simplified as far as we can. Okay, so with this first one, normally with the order of operations, I would do what's inside the parentheses first. So I would subtract these. Okay, but they're not like terms, meaning they're not both numbers or they're not both A's, okay? So I can't subtract them. But the way to get around this is called the distributive property, which tells me that I can multiply this 5 to both of them, okay? 5 is being multiplied by what is inside the parentheses, and I can multiply it to the first one and then to the second one, okay? So I'm going to have A plus 5 times A gives me 5A. And 5 times a negative 6 gives me negative 30. Okay. From here, I'm going to combine like terms. So I have two things that have an A, two terms that have an A. This is like 1A. We just usually don't write the 1. So 1A plus 5A's would give me 6A's minus 30. And because these aren't like terms, that is as simplified as I can get it, and that is my answer. I know for me, it took me some time to get used to like my answer being not just a number. Like it kind of bothered me for a little bit, but the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it and be able to recognize, oh, okay, I'm done. That's as simplified as it can get. Okay, so now let's look at this one. It's a little intimidating, but it's not too bad. Okay, so when we have something like this, normally I would add the top first, okay? But again, they're not like terms. But what I can do is distribute this 4. This is another way of doing the distributive property to each of them, okay? So then I will have x over 4 plus 16 over 4, okay? Now, I know that 16 over 4 is just 4, right? So this is going to simplify down to 4. Now this I could leave as x over 4, but another way we like to write it in math, and remember there's still a 1 here. Another way we can write it is 1/4 x, okay? So when you have an x on top like that, you can pull it to the side and leave the 1 up there and have it as 1/4 x. We just kind of like how it looks better. I don't know. Sometimes we're a little picky in math. All right. So that is my answer because I can't simplify it down any further. Okay. Hopefully that made sense. Bye.